Here we're going to create a contract in the Metamask app. So go to the browser on the top of the app and type in app.somniumcrypto.com. You're going to simply create a new contract and give it a name. Then you'll select your currency. That's my wallet address there, so we're going to add in Alexa's. Then we'll put in the recipient's wallet. And then we'll create the contract by confirming. I'm going to pay my share now. That's 0.1 BNB.
Alexa here. I'm going to pay my share now. I log in. The contract is already there. I select it. You can see Mal has paid. I press pay. And as the final payee, the transaction will complete and Nicole will get her funds.